Hello my dear friends, the Lord of Lego is with you like always, and today we're going to create the new epic brawler Griff from the game BRAWL STARS. Rate him in the comments, put like in this video and subscribe to my channel. He works in the souvenir shop. He is beautiful, detailed and mobile. My friends, please put like in this video and subscribe to my channel and go to the link in the description to my online Lego store, Lord of Lego Point Store. Because now, in honor of my birthday, in my store there are huge discounts, so don't miss the chance to buy my Lego Brawlers, which I built from original Lego parts at a huge discounts. And we come back to my video. Our Griff is very mobile. You can move his hands and his foot. And that's not all, because in his head we can twist this big red lever. We're going forward, and in his face we can move his nose. And actually that's all, but you can see that he is very beautiful, mobile and detailed. Rate him in the comments. And now we must only build him. Let's go! Our Lego Brawler Griff is ready. Don't care if you don't have enough Lego pieces to create him, because he and many other brawlers, which I built from the original Lego pieces, which you can buy in a huge discounts in my online Lego store, Lord of Lego Point Store. Put like in this video, subscribe to my channel and write in a comment what new skins I must build in future. Thank you very much for watching. That's all. Bye bye.